Guys, welcome back to Slop Squad. We're out here in a very somewhat, I guess, familiar area. If you guys haven't seen our urban pit bike riding video, we'll have a link. And we're about to go around everywhere in this downtown-ish area. We're just gonna send it and go everywhere on the streets because I know you guys love when you see pit bikes on the streets. Let's go. Dude, if this thing could have like low end where I can go slow, it's perfect. This bike with the power has right now feels so good. Even like how it sounds, like compared to the 140, it just sounds way better. Hey! Hey! Should we try this? Huh? Try going up all those stairs?
I was literally coming here to go up all those stairs. It's a little tiny trail.
You can actually do it?
No.
I don't know if I'll be able to do it.
I'll do it.
I thought you two were going to ride up those stairs. I wanted to see it.
That's the plan. Stick around, we're about to go. Oh, yeah. Bro, these are kind of gnarly stairs.
You gotta go faster, huh?
Yeah, it's hard to do it unless you actually have the speed to do it. Are you gonna try it again or are you gonna call it quits?
I'm trying to see how I'm gonna turn around. Oh, I hit my freaking leg. I give up. Screw that.
Yeah, well, I'm not even trying, dude.
It's the curb at the beginning. You lose all speed at the curb, and then you try going up, and then it's already too hard. Oh, look at that. Look at the view. See some donuts here. Donuts with a view. Let's do it. So weird, like nice ass houses here, like multi-million-dollar houses, and then that view over there, that's where like all the crackheads go and like drink and do all that shit. So it's kind of a shitty situation for these guys. Suck at driving. View number dos in Spokane, where everybody drinks. That's really steep. It's a lot steeper than I remember. That?
Yeah.
Oh, the hill?
There's a trail that goes the side of this hill.
It's always been steep, bro.
pretty dope park. I haven't been here in forever, but like if you want to take a girl on a little, little date or something, dude, walk the flowers, You know what I'm saying? Actually pretty dope park. There's like this pond over here that we used to go to when we were kids, and they had these like turtles, and we would just like catch these turtles, dude, and they had like catfish and stuff. Catch little catfish.
There's a lot of people here.
Yeah, I think not.
Yeah,
I think let's probably just go downtown.
yeah, let's go. There's this neighborhood area that's kind of cool. We can go down to those really big stairs again if we wanted to.
Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, this pond right here, dude. Disgusting pond. Gross shit, but I'm pretty sure I fell in there before. Pretty sure like you get all sorts of diseases from that. A little hepatitis never hurt nobody. You know what I'm saying?
They're loose. Spraying dirt all over my eyes, dude. Dude, all our tax dollars going to very good use. Dude, for real.
Dude, honestly, Slavic, the go-kart in this neighborhood would be fun.
Yeah.
Get a couple of them, dude.
Yeah, if we go. 100% here in downtown.
Yeah.
And then you just jump all the way to the next street. If I was to go down there and that lady's just with my head. Imagine if she was walking down and I was thinking of just going down right away. She can't hear you. Freaks out. She's like, what the?
Did you guys think it was a road?
No, we knew it was stairs.
Oh, okay. Are you going down it?
We're thinking about it. Think it's a good idea?
What kind of experience do you have?
We're all right.
I'll stay here to call the ambulance.
All right, want to go first?
Okay.
I'm gonna watch this if it's happening.
Yeah, he's gonna go do it.
Okay, so I have to record it for my 17-year-olds. I have twin boys. Okay,
All right.
they'll be excited. You never know what you're gonna see upstairs.
There's always something on these stairs.
Woo! Good job! Are you doing it?
Yeah, I'll go for
Okay,
it.
be careful.
Alrighty.
Okay.
Dude.
She was cool.
Dude, that's so sketchy because my bars are moving. Look at that. And I was going down, I hit the first bump and it bent forward and I was like, dude, I'm like trying to hold it from bending further because it's just gonna bend over and I'm falling.
We're taking y'all on an adventure, boys. We're going through all the parks in Compton, dude. Place is actually cooler than I thought. So you got like a lot of parks here. Perfect parking right there, dude.
What is that guy doing?
He's messing around.
I know, for sure. Let's go meth by him.
Alright. He's messing all around. Oh. That's dope. I never seen this here. $20, I ride across it. I wonder what this used to be back in the day, but it's like a full-on paved road. You just want to just cruise down. Oh, Shiza, dude. Shiza, man. What's going on? Are you guys okay?
You alright?
Do you need help getting up?
Where'd you hurt?
I think I sprained my ankles.
Okay, which ankle?
Both of them, it feels like.
Oh, both of
I
them?
can't move.
Okay, hey, can I get you on your back? Is that alright?
I try, yeah.
Okay. Same thing with this. This one?
Yeah.
Okay, and then this one.
Yes.
Which one hurt more?
Second.
Second?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have water?
No.
I have water.
Can we use some of your water?
Yeah.
Just to have her calm down a little bit. I think that will help a lot. Okay. Sick. Thanks, man. Do you mind if I apply some pressure and see how that goes? We're gonna start with this one because I think that one is a little bit more. Okay. Just tell me when you don't want me to do this anymore, okay? You okay with that? That's great. This is good. How confident are you if we have some help possibly to get you on your feet just to see?
That's fine, yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
All right, we're coasting down. There's a park here and there's a gate. So the only way up this, either you call the fire department and they give you the keys to go up, or you just wing it and go up the grass. So I think that's the plan. So we'll see. We'll see if they are ballsy enough to go up this grass. Peter would send it on his Mazda, freaking jump this cliff right here, right now. So it's doable. If you go up right there, you can kind of go up that way and go around the, instead of going to the playground, kind of go around the playground. Or just, you can follow the dirt bikes.
You can just hop on right there and just follow us. The thing is, we're gonna make a lot of noise and attract a lot of attention.
I know, that's what I'm saying. Dude, it's like a search and rescue mission. It's going through the park and shit, there's people everywhere. And then our dirt bikes show out, dude. It's gonna definitely like attract police. That guy down there is definitely on the phone to cops, bro. I didn't think that she was gonna have the balls to climb up this and go up. And there's like people in the park right now, so it's quite interesting. Why is he wheeling, bro? For what reason? Tell her to go up and turn around.
Probably go up and turn around.
I think I'm just gonna go explain to the people there kind of what happened. Dude, Slavic is a menace, dude. He's in this park, just freaking flooring it. Making all this noise. Bring all this attention. Bro, such a turn of events, that's so funny. I mean, it's not funny for her. She hurt herself, but like, it's a goofy turn of events, dude. I don't know. It was good to help, though. I basically went down there and everybody's phone's on me, and I was like, turn off my thing. My camera just died, but it's like, I'm like, I don't know, it looks weird, but the lady broke her legs.
You told them?
Yeah, and so that's why it's like this, but she ain't with us. And she's like, oh, okay, thanks.
It didn't look quite right.
Yeah, I know, right?
Car going to the park.
They had no choice. We just drove up on them. She's on the floor, and we're trying to help the best we can. So they had to drive around, and we're like, this is either the gate's locked. Either you go up the grass, or we don't. Both her legs are out. So we had to help her up in the car and everything. So
Well, thanks for letting us know.
yeah, no problem.
Have a good day.
On to the next adventure, boys. We're gonna take you guys down yet another escape route. We had to use this at one point. This hill's where I used to practice my first wheelies, dude. Bring back memories right here. I'm pretty sure I got chased one time. We like dipped in here, laid our bikes down. The cop just sat here for a long time, but he didn't realize we were in there. Was this like the third or fourth park of the day, dude? Jeez Louise. Whoa. Man, we used to go down this shit when we were like, I was probably like 8 years old. Like on foot, not on the bike. When I was like 8 years old, we used to come down here, go to like the little water park they have here. Literally, dude, brings back my whole freaking childhood. Crazy. dude almost ate it. Do you remember what this was? Was it a cave? Huh? Wasn't it a cave?
Yeah, it was a cave. Bigfoot used to live here.
Oh shit. Now it's like this little guy lives here. Wasn't this actually some sort of cave that went down?
It went further for sure, but it looks like it was like dug out. Sick, dude. Oh, very nice. I like it.
Sorry.
Huh?
Sorry. Hey, you over here? Huh? You see it, Paul?
That was a little too close for comfort, and I'm pretty sure these people back there are probably not having it either.
About that time, dude. Time to go burn out and pop some tires.
Let's get it. You guys have probably seen this place before. This is kind of where my shoulder incident happened. Good times. Peter, I have a question for you. How do we get rid of tires out here?
You ask a Moldovan. Or not.
Bro, what was that?
I don't know, dude. Oh, my ass, dude.
Peter, how do we get rid of tires around here?
You ask a Moldovan. Bro, you ask a Moldovan.
You're asking too many Moldovans, Peter. Just do it. How do we get rid of tires around here, Peter?
Dude, I don't even know.
One eternity later.
Oh, you got so close.
Bro, making holes in the pavement.
Shoot, dude. Oh, man. That's like right at the edge of blowing up. I was like scared that it's gonna shoot me in the face. A little bit of oil leakage going on from being super hot, but it ain't so bad. Oh, there is oil. It leaked a bunch of oil from revving so high. I don't know, does that look like it needs to be changed, Peter?
Nah, dude, they're race slicks now.
I think we're gonna call it there because I feel like the engine's gonna pop soon in 95-degree weather.
The engine might pop before the tire
I
will.
know.
I pause it.